particular movie.
And this is a miracle fruit berry. After you chew it, everything tastes sweet, so you can suck a lemon instead of eating chocolate. Over the next 6 weeks in the run-up to Christmas, we'll all be faced with the temptation of eating far too much sweet stuff.
Yeah, so thank goodness Jane is here with some alternatives, and also a World Television exclusive. Now, these are miracle fruit, or miracle berries, and Jane is going to tell us what they do.
Well, they're sometimes known as miracle berries, miracle fruit, but what they do is they contain something called a glycoprotein, which is present in lots of different foods, but this particular glycoprotein binds to taste buds, and it changes your taste. So anything that normally would taste bitter or sour tastes sweet.
Yeah, we've actually had them for a while. They last for about an hour and a half, and we have been eating them, or sucking them, or chewing them. Now this obviously is a lemon, and if they work, it should taste pretty sweet.
Oh, you're stuck now?
In fairness, my mouth's full of pips, but it tastes like an orange. It's good.
Oh, there you go.
That's bitter lemon, yeah.
Well, I have some stout here as well, which I'm going to take a wee sip of. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know whether it's because I'm not allowed to drink in studio, but that just tastes really, really nice. It's incredible.
It's a very, very kind of dramatic change.
So you could be eating all the best of foods and still getting that sweet craving as well.
Yes.